Hey fams, welcome to our new series. This is Crash Course on scratching the surface of new real estate investors in Nigeria. Now, if you're a real estate investor or probably you are new into real estate business, welcome. Congratulations. We've been there. We are realtors. I am also an investor, and I'm willing to share with you a lot more in this crash course. It's a crash course for you before you even try to invest, or probably you've been investing and you want to learn more. You have that quest to learn more. Okay, we had an introductory video on this particular topic. So I want to encourage you, if you haven't watched that video, make sure you take your time out and watch the introductory video. It's very important. So the first thing I want to be sharing with you is I'm going to be teaching you three sweet, lovely approaches in this powerful crash course. Okay, and those three approaches will be coming out in three videos. Okay, so please make sure you watch it from beginning to the end. It's very important for you, and I decided to make this video as easy as possible. Okay, so the first thing you should consider is the rental properties approach. Okay, so you might be thinking of investing into real estate, but there are some top secrets about rental properties, and you have to get yourself acquainted with those things because without those things, it's going to be really difficult for you to make money off rental properties. Now, rental properties in Nigeria is seen as an old-fashioned kind of real estate, but guess what? It still pays money. In one of my write-up, right, I made a write-up on my Instagram, and that write up was I talked about how landlord make money in their sleep in Lagos. They sleep and money starts coming into their pockets. Another write up I wrote was that it's only in Lagos you will see landlord that cannot read, that cannot write, but he's collecting rent and he's not even working. He's not doing any other thing. It's only in Lagos you can get that at ease, I tell you. So you buy a property, and you rent it out to tenants. You become the landlord. You're responsible for the rent, collecting of rent, maintenance, profit portion. I actually jotted some things out so that I don't mix it. Rental value and rental income. Okay, so I don't want to miss any information, right? That's why I had to jot something. So please pardon me if you see me looking down and coming up, because we are already in a class. All right, so we've got to talk about how these things are. Okay, so usually when you want to go into rental properties approach, you need to consider some factors. Okay, and first thing you need to consider is you would charge enough as rent to cover all for the cost. Okay, cover up for the rental value. There is a calculation to this. Okay, and you know your profit portion in this. Okay, so if you don't know how to go about it, you can ask us and we'll be able to help you do this at ease. All right, so hence there is need to do enough research. Okay, so that while you're doing enough research, you will know what the value of the property you're actually renting out is. Knowing the value of your property is as important as anything. Okay, like you want to rent a property. One, you don't know the value of your property. Two, you don't know what the rental income in your location is. Those things are key. They are key. So you have to put all those things into consideration and have it all set for you. Now, owning a rental property automatically leaves you with a fixed rental income. You have like five houses and they all pay different times in a year. Maybe one will pay in March, another one will pay in June, another one will pay in September, another one will pay in December. That's different houses like that. And you think you'll be broke? You can't be broke. You can't be broke, and you're going to be receiving those rent, forever. Forever. Okay, so there are so many things you need to understand about rental properties approach. Now, while you are thinking of rental properties approach, under that we also have lease. Okay, and we have short let. So all of these are encompassing rental. So if you don't hear me mention it, they are all encompassing into rental. So please take note of that. Now, properties appreciate over time, whether you like it or not. Even if it's a mud house they build, imagine maybe a few years ago in Lekki, you didn't have money and you build a mud house in Lekki. The value of the property still increased. The value of the property still appreciates. Okay, so the good thing about building a house and giving it out for rent is that it will help you maintain all of the location where this house is. Okay, probably you still don't have money to build a bigger house, but guess what, once you need money to at least build something that is more beautiful than probably the old one that you're still collecting rent on, you can decide to sell one of your house and use the money to develop another. So there are so many benefits in, going into rental properties approach as new investors, but you need to figure out what you really want and how you want it. So when it comes to rental properties approach, a lot of people look at it as if they want to make money now. Like, you bought all the materials you used to build the house is about 10 million, and that location what they rent house is 1.5, and you want your money now. Please, in real estate it doesn't work that way. There is no magic that can give you that money immediately. Okay, you have to understand that real estate is all about patience, it's all about consistent, it's all about building property portfolio. So we made a video on property portfolio series. Like I told you, we'll be having several courses, crash courses for buyers, for those who are ready to invest into real estate. It is important. HTH Ampere Limited is the first to bring up this, and we're going to be doing this continuously, and this is just to help you grow in your quest to invest into real estate investment right here in Lagos or somewhere within the world. I don't know where you are, where you're watching this from, but this is really important. Okay, so don't think you're going to invest in your money into real estate now and you see it now. It doesn't work that way. Sometimes it could take as long as 10 years, it could take as long as 5 years, it could take as long as 20 years to really get the value of what you have invested your money in. Okay, so please take note of this. Now, some people may tell you, maybe your brother, your friend, they just knew that yes, you really want to buy a property, you want to start a rental properties, and they're like, no, please come to the village, because definitely, as Nigerians concerned, you build big house in the village, you have people will know that you have arrived. You don't understand. They will know that yes, you have come. This person don't make money. Let me speak it in broken. It means this person have made money. Okay, broken is Nigerian English. Let me incorporate it, and you feel that is the best option for you to go alongside to build a big shopping mall in your village. My God, that is a very not ideal investment. If you are building it just to build it, wherever comes out, that's fine. That is very good. There is nothing wrong to go build your house in your village. Okay, but if you're looking at it that you want to make money off it, please always ensure that you are picking some of the best locations, because location is what people buy. All right, and in my subsequent series we'll be talking about location, so pay attention to our videos, because it's important you get a lot of more information on location. So let's talk more on the rental properties, because I just want to round up this because I don't want it to be too stretchy. Now, when we talk about rental properties, definitely you will be having tenants, and your tenants are going to be signing a lot of documents. Probably you also want to be maintaining that house, or you are too busy. You can give it to your real estate firm, or a real estate firm, or a real estate agent to manage the house for you. Okay, probably if they have repairs, if there are things they need to do. And the thing is, there is what we call service charge. There are some houses they pay service charge, there are some houses they pay less service charge, There are some houses they don't pay service charge at all. I actually made a video about this, so you can as well watch a lot of my video. I'm sure alongside you might come across that particular video. But the thing is, having houses for rental value, it's important. You can always rewind this video to watch a lot more, but guess what? Increasing that money you have, you've got to start now to invest it. Invest into the right investment, and guess what? You will thank me for telling you all of this in a very, very short video. So this video is just the first one. This is the first series, and this is on rental properties approach. Okay, so if you are going to be watching series 2 and 3, please like this video first, and turn on your notification. Make sure you subscribe and turn on your notification bell, and do not forget, if you have questions, drop them at the comment section box. We'll be very active. If I'm not the one attending to you, any of our teammates will definitely be attending to you. Okay, so please always ask the right questions so that you don't make mistakes in real estate. So I'm going to be scratching the surface of new real estate investors in series 2. So make sure you watch it, and definitely you need to watch series 3. So I love you now and always. Bye bye.